Hello children, how are you all? Welcome to my class. This is Sri Devi teaching you 4th class English. Today I would like to say about the lesson what's really important. And also I want to test your skills. Listening skills I want to test. That is Kabaddi, test of strength. Presented by Sri Devi. This is the lesson really happened, children. This is not a fictional story. It has happened really. Okay, let us listen. Observe this picture. Who they are? Disabled people. Disabled people means what? Physically challenged people. Okay, they all participated in Special Olympics. Special Olympics will be held for these people. Okay, and how many participants are there? 9 participants were there. Okay, they all participated in 100 meters race. What happens when they give whistle, they all starts running and suddenly a boy falls down. Then all will come back and all will link, they will lift that boy and let us see what happens. Okay, let us see their unity. Okay, we will read this story. What's really important? A few years ago at the Special Olympics, 9 disabled participants assembled. Assembled means what? All together they came at the starting line for the 100 meters race. 100-meter race. At the whistle, when the whistle has given, they all started out to run the race and win the Olympic prize. Got it? There was, however, one boy who fell down a few times and began to cry. What happened? When they all started, one boy fell down a few times and began to cry. The other 8 children heard the boy's cry. The other children, all 9 were there, isn't it? One boy fell down. Okay, other 8 children heard the boy's cry. They were about to touch the finishing line actually, all the other 8 children. They slowed down and paused. They all stopped. Paused means what? Stopped. Then they all turned around and went back. They all turned around and all together went back. One girl bent down and kissed him. One girl encouraged that boy. She consoled by giving a kiss to that boy. She said, "This will make you better." She encouraged that boy by giving a kiss and consoled him. Then all the 9 linked arms and walked together to the finish line. That means what? That means what? All of them are winners now. You have seen the first lesson, true friend lesson. What happened? That boy plotted a plan to cheat the friend, to cheat his friend, isn't it? Generally what happens? In the game, they cheat others. But here you see how nicely all the children were maintaining unity and they all went back. They all are winners now. So let us see the next line. Everyone in the stadium stood up and the cheering went for 10 minutes. Continuously in the stadium, 10 minutes non-stop cheering went on. Cheering means what? Claps. They encouraged all the 9 disabled children. This is the unity, children. Got it? How nice lesson this has happened really. Okay. Now coming to get into groups of 4. Imagine that a famous sports personality of the group's choice visits your school. Imagine that some famous sports personality has visited your school. Collect relevant information. Relevant means suitable information about that personality. Any famous personality you call and you should have some information also. And we are going to interview them. Assume that you are going to interview that person. One student, D. One student will be famous personality. Okay, one student will be famous person. Assume that, okay, you are doing that role. Okay, you are playing that role. Okay, the role of the famous personality. One D means what? One boy. We are naming as D and is playing the role of the famous personality. He or she answers the questions. Okay, asked by the other three, and other three will be posing the questions. Got it, children? A, B, three persons will be there. They will be asking questions. They will interview D. Got it? This is all like skit like you should do. Now in the house, how you can do? Ask your mommy to play the role of A, B, C, and you be as a D, or else anything. You can ask some other friend or cousin or anybody to do like this. Okay. Did you understand? A, B, C, D. For example, I will give you A. A means me. B, think that Jayashree. C, think that Umarani. These are the names. D is, we are calling principal sir. Okay. We are interviewing principal sir. A, B, C, we will ask each one question. Did you understand now? Yes? Next. Decide upon the answers to make your interview as interesting as you can. Okay. Now let us see. We are invited. I have taken the topic. I am inviting Sunil Gavaskar. I want to interview Sunil Gavaskar. Okay. That is D. I am A. Okay. Welcome, Mr. Sunil Gavaskar. I feel honored. Honored means what? Respect. Okay. I'm thankful. Okay. I feel honored to have you here in the school. D means what? The sports personality. Famous sports personality is talking now. It's my pleasure to be with you all. Okay. Now B is putting a question. Jayashree is putting question. When did you first become interested in the sports? Okay. Is putting question. Now again D will answer. D means here what we thought? Principal sir. That is famous sports personality. Or you think that Sunil Gavaskar only has come, you think. I had an interest in sports since childhood. I developed interest since my childhood. Next, another Umarani is asking question. How many matches have you participated in so far? How many matches have you played, or how many meets participated in so far? Anything you can ask like this question. How many matches have you played so far? I played. Really? This is real answer, children. Now D is saying, D, Sunil Gavaskar. Imagine Sunil Gavaskar is saying, I played 125 test matches and 108 one-day international matches. Got it? This I got it from Google. One example I am doing, you should collect like this information about some other famous personality. Got it? And you're going to write like this. Okay, one example I am giving you. It's already there in the textbook. Fill in the blanks are there. I'm giving you answers for you. You also try to maintain one more interview about some other famous personality. Okay. Now let us see. What are your hobbies and interests? You're asking question. I am asking question. Sridevi is asking question. Now, to whom you are asking? D. You are asking to principal or to Sunil Gavaskar. My hobbies are watching wrestling matches. Wrestling means what? Fighting. Okay, really, this is also real. Wrestling matches, playing badminton. I'm interested in reading. What are your interests? I'm interested in reading, commentary, that means giving commentary, and listening to music. These are my interests. Hobbies, what are his hobbies? Watching wrestling matches. Wrestling and also watching matches, playing badminton. I'm interested in reading. I'm interested in listening commentary and listening to music. Got it, children? Again, I'm teaching you. See, my hobbies are watching matches, watching wrestling, playing badminton, and I'm interested in reading, commentary, and listening to music. Got it? This is speaking skill test actually. Okay. Next, how much time should the students devote to sports? Devote means what? You have to how much time the student should spend to sports. Always academics is not that important. Overall development should be there. You should participate in sports. You should spend some time. If you jump, if you play, then only you can grow into a beautiful child. Overall development will be there for the child. Physically and mentally, you will grow very well. Students should devote 1 hour at least daily to sports. Got it, children? At least 1 hour you should devote. Devote word is there. Spend, you can write anything. Would you like to say something to our friends at school? That means we are asking Sunil Gavaskar. Okay. D. Yes. This is Umarani madam asked one question, you see. Would you like to say something to our friends at school? That means you want to give any message? Because you are experienced now, so you have to give some message. Yes, work hard until you get success. Until you get succeed. Also you can say succeed, also you can say success, also you can say. Next, all will say A, B, C together. Me, that is me, Sri Devi, Jayashri and Umarani, all together we are wishing principal sir. Okay, or Sunil Gavaskar you can think. Thank you very, very much Mr. Sunil Gavaskar. Got it, children? Like drama, like you should play. And also here you see you are enhancing your written skills, you are enhancing your speaking skills. Okay, got it? Like this you write one more person, about one more person. You collect information and ask this question. One of you ask, one of you be like A, one of you be like B, one of you be like C. Okay, in the house itself you play like this. And you write neatly in the textbook all this. I have given you matter, write in the textbook first. Now coming to, actually this homework is after giving you listening. You have to listen, children. I'll teach you a test of strength about kabaddi. Okay, one game I'm going to say. You all should listen. You all should close your eyes and listen. Okay, this is your homework. This is your homework. Okay, before only I'm mentioning you. Why? If I tell you, if I mention you like this, you will listen carefully. There's a CD actually in your book. Okay, listen to it. Okay, this is, let us see. Do you know that Kabaddi is one of the oldest but the most famous games of rural India? Okay, do you know that? To know more about this game, let us listen to Mrs. Datta, who is telling her students about the game. Datta is the teacher. She's telling to her students about the game. Okay, let us know more about it. Before you listen to this conversation, study the picture of C2 carefully. Fill up the spaces provided in exercise C2 as you listen to Mrs. Datta. This is your homework. This line is your homework. Fill up the space. That means fill up the blanks which I am giving you. Okay. Without seeing, you are going to write it. You should only listen. You are not going to read this. You will listen. I will be reading. I will be telling you that story. I will be reading for you. You have to listen and you have to answer. Got it? I will be testing your listening skill. How good you are in listening. How you are focusing in listening. Are you listening carefully or not? I want to test you. Now see, this is the homework. Okay, just now I have given you. What is the homework? You see here. Before only I am giving you questions, you see. Fill up the blanks with correct information. What is this? In this game, in this Kabaddi game, how many players are there on each side? Okay, when I read, you have to collect it. You have to record it in the brain and you have to write it. How many players on each side? Not on both sides together, no. Not total number. On each side, how many are there? Okay. The team that dash is the winner. How the team is winning? That answer you should write. The team that dash is the winner. Okay, you write this. And the magic word to be chanted is, what is that magic word we are using? That you should write it. Got it, all of you? 1, 2, 3. These three fill in the blanks are your homework for today. Got it? First, let me read for you. Now all of you close your eyes. This is tape script. Close your eyes. Here three people are involved. Mrs. Datta, Prashant and Sushma. Three people are involved. Three people will be presenting these dialogues. Okay. In the school, let us practice. Okay. If you have brother, sister or mother, father or you, all one be like Mrs. Datta, one be like Prashant, one be like Sushma. Okay. And play this role. Not now. After completing the fill in the blanks, then you open this. First, I will be telling you this story. This for you. I will read for you. All of you close your eyes. Tape script. A test of strength. Hoo tu 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 tu. Hoo tu 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 tu. Good morning, children. Datta is saying to you. Good morning, children. I am sure this is I am. Okay. They made it small, you see. I am sure you all are very excited to know about the new game. Are you excited to know about the new game? That boy is saying, Prashant is saying, yes ma'am, yes madam, we would love to play it too. We want to play it too. After knowing about this game, you should play in the house also. Okay, Kabaddi game. Next, Mrs. Datta. Again, teacher is saying, Kabaddi is a street game of India. It's a famous game. In the question also, 2 points we are getting. That also you include. I will tell you to write composition. That means 10 lines about Kabaddi. You have to write it on your own. That time, in that question itself, you have 1 or 2 lines. You will get it. And next, this line. Kabaddi. What is Kabaddi? Kabaddi is a street game of India. Okay. Prashant A. Kabaddi is a street game of India, Prashant. A test of strength, as you may call it. Okay, what teacher is saying? Kabaddi is a street game of India, Prashant. A test of strength, as you may call it. Okay, what it is? Kabaddi is a test. It is testing your strength. Got it? Sushma. Oh, ma'am. Oh, madam, please tell us more about Kabaddi. Oh, madam, please tell us more about Kabaddi. Okay. Mrs. Datta. To play Kabaddi, you need energy. To play Kabaddi, you need energy. You need to hold your breath. What you need? You need strength first. You need to hold your breath. Hold your breath means you can't take breathing. You can't take oxygen. You have to hold like this and you have to chant the magic word and you have to touch the person, opposite person. You have to enter into the opposing team. To play Kabaddi, you need energy. You need to hold your breath and be very quick on your toes. You should quickly run and touch them. A line is drawn on sand or soft earth. What it is? A line is drawn on the sand. There are two opposing teams consisting of 5 to 10 players who stand on either side of this line. Okay, children, how many members? 5 will be there. 5 to 10. 5 to 10 players. There may be 5 to 10 members may be there. Okay. Or two opposing teams consisting of 5 to 10 players who stand on either side of this line. Okay. Fill in the blanks answer. You got it? See. A member of one team crosses the line into the area of opposing team, chanting the magic word Kabaddi Kabaddi. During this period, he has to hold his breath. Children, he has to hold his breath means like this he will not do. From inside itself, he has to hold. He has to say hold and he has to say Kabaddi, 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 Kabaddi and he has to touch the opposite person and he has to come back. Okay. Did you understand? Again, I am saying to play Kabaddi, you need energy. You need to hold your breath and be very quick on your toes. A line is drawn on sand or soft earth. there are two opposing teams. Opposite teams, there are two, consisting of 5 to 10 players who stand on either side of this line. A member of one team crosses the line into the area of opposing team, chanting what they will chant? Magic word, kabaddi, kabaddi. During this period, he has to hold his breath. Now let us see. All the children all together. Okay. One more is also there. You see here. Rakesh is there. Asta is there. My God. Okay. Two more children are included. You see. All the children. Kabaddi, 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 and all will be saying, other children. Okay, now Mrs. Datta. That's enough. What madam will say? That's enough, children. Don't make noise. If he is able to touch one or two boys while uttering the word kabaddi, 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 the person touched is out and the visitor runs back to his side. The another member of the team goes out. Got it, all of you? If he touches, another member of the team goes out. Again, I'm saying, you see, that's enough. If he's able to touch one or two boys while uttering the word kabaddi, kabaddi, the person touched is out and the visitor runs back to his side. Then another member of the team goes out. Did you observe first of all any time? Have you played kabaddi? First of all, you know the word kabaddi? I think you know. When we were small, we used to play kabaddi game a lot. Okay, in my street, I used to play a lot. This is Rakesh. What happens if the visitor is caught by any member of the opposite side? Then he is said to be out. Then he is out. If you catch him, he is out. Asta, one more girl is saying, Madam, how does one team win the game? This is another answer, children. Fill in the blanks are there. No? This is one more answer. A team that catches maximum. Minimum, maximum. Opposite. Minimum is less. Maximum means more number of. Maximum members of the opposing team wins the game. A team that catches maximum members of the opposing team wins the game. If you catch maximum members, then that team will be winning. Got it, children? Now, what is your duty? I have given you homework, isn't it? That you complete it. Now, after listening to this, kabaddi, kabaddi, a test of strength, you have to fill up the blanks. That is your work. And what is one more work? You have to read everything, whatever I taught today. Read loudly with good accent. Got it? That's all for today. Have a nice day, children. Thank you all. Bye.